Oh, well, what a turn. It's been raining all night, and it really picked up in the last hour. And we haven't even seen experienced the thick of it. We've got the heart of the storm dropping water on us for the next couple of hours. From sunny yesterday to storms. We also have a low battery on the van for some reason, which doesn't really make any sense. Had a lull in the rain, so he passed the coffee off to me. Oh, stop clicking when you put that on. Oh, we're alive!
We're alive!
It like died and then we had to do it again.
Yep.
Oh, thank you, Belafonte. I was worried for a second. Now we gotta figure out why the battery was drawn down. So we're like, what? Are we leaving? What the heck? I'm over here like, worst case scenario, we're gonna have to live here. I really gotta work on that. Alright, well, rain is gone, and we are now drying things up. So close. Well, they're closed, so we're gonna find another place. Can't make this stuff up. The second restaurant is also closed. It'll open at 2 o'clock, so we're a couple hours early. Good news is there's lots of taco places around here, so we will find food. Oh yeah, we're doing this one. It's open. Here it is. 2 fish all done up. 1 round. Not going back on the plate. Well, it sure feels like a Monday. We're gonna drop our laundry off this place that's been recommended. But tomorrow is Sunday, so she can't get our laundry done. We'd have to pick it up on Monday, and we're not sure if we're going to be in the area or not. So then we were looking at laundromats. We did find one. We're just doing the debate of what do we do with our laundry.
There's one here in town.
Well, our friends may have just found a good laundry place tomorrow. You're back with the laundry again.
Too busy. Wouldn't be done until 2 p.m. tomorrow, and we need to be in Cabo by then. So we'll find somewhere either in Cabo or somewhere else along the way to get them done.
Good morning. This is one of our favorite beach spots. Definitely come back here. It's been so nice. It's quiet. The surfers, to watch the surfers in the morning, super fun. It makes me want to get another board. Brett and I both been talking about that maybe for next year. Do a longboard though, or maybe a hard paddle board. We'll see. Brett droning in the morning. Watching the surfers right now. First thought?
I would have never thought to put those two together. That's quite darn tasty. Strawberries, cream, and croissant. It's like they were meant to be together.
Yeah, Jake recommended that. He did that the other day.
Oh, Jake.
We went back and got another container because we'd eaten it all with our yogurt. So we got the big one. And a fresh croissant from them. And we're trying it. Yeah, I wouldn't have thought of it either. I feel like this has turned into a food tour with Brett and Liz in Baja.
Seriously.
You're on the bed without me. He gets upset the second I get up here. If I'm making the bed, if I'm doing anything up here, the second I'm up here without her, it's like... how cute were all the puppies?
Oh my gosh. There's at least one I wanted to take home.
I would have taken the little lowrider white one, a rose, and then I think you liked the little bluish one. Well, we almost ran the van out of gas. The gauge between quarter and empty is very finicky, so now we know that we definitely need to fill up when we're in a quarter. So Ronan lent us a couple of gallons so we could make the last 20K. And here we are filling up. So thank you, Ronan. Brett found a place to get our laundry done. Woo woo! Up high, up high. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. We just had our photo shoot. Freaking awesome. Light was beautiful. Irish rocks. And now we're going into the restaurant for dinner. This is a very special place for Brett. I'll let him tell you about it. The Instagram story recap is real. Our shutter eye pastries for this morning. Verdict's out. I'm not sure if it's lemon. It might just be sugar.
Okay. I think Liz mentioned last night that this place is special, but she may not have mentioned why it was special. About 20 years ago, me and two buddies in photography school got press passes to chase the Baja 1000 down to all the way to Cabo. And our friend in school, Irish, said, hey, my dad has a restaurant down there. Check in with him. He can let you stay on site. So this is her dad's restaurant, Latitude 22, the Roadhouse. Maybe it's the Roadhouse, Latitude 22. He built the restaurant himself and hopes that his daughter someday would take over the restaurant. And she has. So her and her husband, Cam, run the restaurant now. It was just a really special place for us. So me, our boys, we came down here. We stayed on site. He let us sleep here. We took showers on a hose out back. It was just awesome. So 20 years later, unfortunately, he's passed away, but Irish and her husband, Cam, have taken over the legacy of running the restaurant. So we always have to stop here when we come to Cabo San Lucas. It's such a great place.
We're off. It has been lovely. Alright, well, we are off to run a few more errands this morning and pick up our laundry. So excited. I'm so excited Brett found a place to do it. This Costco has the best view. You get 2 scooters and a sauna. I mean, Costco basically looks the same. They do have some things here, I guess. You know, we can't get different alcohol scooters.
Goodbye, Jake and Ina. We will see you guys hopefully down in La Paz. That's a nice first name.
Laundry.
Laundry is clean and folded.
This is gonna be fun. The weekly water fill up. Alright, we're done filling the water and everything else. We are blowing this popsicle stand, getting out of town, getting an off-road trail.
Not quite where we were thinking of going, but pretty cool.
Another wonderful spot. This time we weren't at a beach, which has been rare for us. We're up in the mountains for a couple of days. Oh, this sweet baby code. You see our healer? Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Oh boy.
Look what you've done. Good morning. We had a little SD card. Not failure, it just was being a little funny on the camera, so we didn't get anything coming here. But we are in paradise. This, they think, is the mother tree for all of the ones out here in this area. She's 130 years old. They know who planted her. And she is sacred to the Maya.
Coming through here, we got a couple types of plum trees. Yeah, 400 something avocados, 2 different varietals, 3 different varietals. Alright, Lizzie is grabbing us some carrots for dinner. I think we can work with that.
Yes. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, beautiful ranch. Well, we had an absolutely incredible 2 nights on the ranch. We'll most certainly be going back. Maybe we'll stay a week next time. I can see why everyone stays much longer. It was so fun picking food out of the garden. Brett was eating carrots. What did you enjoy?
Oh man, I love the carrots. Just the energy of the place was amazing. The outdoor kitchen, everybody there was super nice. Just walking around the grounds is so peaceful, and there's so many birds, and the trees are alive and buzzing with bees. It's just, it was amazing.
And it was magical that we got to meet back up with Dirk and Renata, who we had spent time with in Agua Verde. So that was just, it was one of the, we were hoping we'd get to see them again, and we've crossed paths. So it'll happen at some point in the future. But yeah, we had 2 wonderful days with them and a lovely time around the campfire. So grateful for that. Okay, we're in Los Boreales, and it's windy. That's it, you're done? Alright, we're hanging with some Montana friends that live down here in the winter times. And they're gonna show us a restaurant. Okay, so this isn't where we would ideally normally park for the night, but very safe, very nice, and still a beach. It just got dark and late from having dinner with friends, and so this was super close to where our dinner was. here. Bounty. All right, it's now the end of week 3 in Baja. Yeah, it feels like it's going by quickly.
Yeah.
Now we're on the other end of it. 2 more weeks, so it's gonna be fun though.
Yep. It's going to be a blast.
What was your favorite?
And Dionisio. Really cool. Beautiful campground. Hiking, waterfalls, hot spring, amazing food. Just a really, really cool place to camp.